Wait!
See this. Today we are making a beautiful item by using acrylic colors and small jars. Don't forget to watch until the end. Please like and subscribe my channel. I am working very hard. Our goal is 1,000 subscribers and also share for further support. Thanks and enjoy the video.